We remember in the round table. The circle is activated and consciousness takes a shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form expresses itself as phosphorus. That is the substance we are organizing. The 15th particle of the stone appears as a light bearer, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of structure. The Throne of Capricorn opens the 10th position and directs the gaze toward phosphates and fertilizers. From this seat, phosphorus reveals itself as a pillar of industrial agriculture, as the element whose massive extraction of phosphate rock sustains food production feeding billions of humans. What self-ignited, mineralized, transmitted energy, protected genetic memory, shown in phosphorescence, regulated enzymes, balanced minerals, transformed through fire, and expanded planetarily, now finds edification in the industry that sustains civilizations. Global production of phosphate fertilizers reaches 50 million tons annually. Each ton of superphosphate supports crops that feed populations. Each agricultural infrastructure is a legacy dependent on mined phosphates. Phosphorus inhabits industrial plants that process phosphate rock into fertilizers, agricultural fields receiving phosphate applications, and the food infrastructure that persists as the foundation of global nutritional security. Observed from the Throne of Capricorn, the light bearer finds agricultural persistence, mastery in crop nutrition, and the capacity for structural legacy sustaining civilization. Self-ignition becomes agricultural edification. One's own light organizes as food architecture. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of agricultural structural commitment. A candle is lit in front of you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner light bearer and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding your gaze, structure consolidates, and the 10th face of the philosopher's stone is polished. Phosphorus becomes edified. The wheel continues its conscious turning. Thus, today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold a single affirmation internally. I am building agriculture with mineral phosphorus. Allow the mind to remain firm and committed. Emotion, candle cleansing. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with food fragility, nutrient-poor soils, denial of agricultural infrastructure, rejection of fertilization work. Emotion is brought into order through persistence. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass in your hands and say, I am phosphorus established in structure. Repeat 3 times with awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating agricultural architecture into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.